morning. Welcome to El Paso. Today is my last day in El Paso. A little sad, a little excited, a little scared because of, I don't know what's going to come next. I don't know, how I know how I want the next couple of weeks to go, but I have no idea, none, how this is going to roll. So, that being the case, I'm going to take you along with me today. I have to clean up, pack up, and shoot a couple of videos with Max, the dog, and Leah. All my tango videos are shot. And if you don't know, I used to be a tango teacher, as in Argentine tango. Not that Dancing with the Stars crap, but actual social tango. That's a whole different animal, a whole different world. And I am no longer an Argentine tango teacher because, well, for a whole bunch of different reasons. I basically said everything I needed to say. And if you want to see that, why my reasons for leaving Argentine tango, you can see that link right here. And go look at that and see my reasons, as it were. But basically, I'm done, and it's time to move on with my life. Preferably when there's not a whole lot of cars going by. Even though I will have lots of car talk coming. All right. So I'm going to take you along with me today on my last day in El Paso and answer a few questions like, why am I in El Paso? That is a far more interesting question than you might imagine. All right, let's get started. Gotta unlock the door. That was oodles of fun. I gotta clean up today. Oi, looky. This needs to get cleaned up. So let's start the cleaning process. Alrighty, it's a lot. Let me get set up here. I have half a mind to do the magical trick thing. I see so many people do. Let's see. Let's try that. Let's at least give it the proverbial whirl. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Wow. It really does work. Cool beans. All right. This is not the state of it because I have a whole lot more to do. Got to clean this up. But I also can't pack any of this stuff just yet because I gotta... I have to shoot with Leah and Max in just a little bit. So there you go. I'll pick you up in just a little bit. Oodles of fun. Might be time for another magic trick. This is an easy one. bright. Almost all set. Now I just need talent and a dog.
Come here. You know what's gonna happen. I know, but you gotta wait.
So we're gonna shoot a little video right now for Emperor Max, and that's the dog right there. Let me introduce you to Max. Say hello to Max. No, yes, he's so cute. Oh my God. Yeah. So, we're gonna get right to work at this point, so I'm gonna have to cut you off. Well, that pretty much wraps up the shoot. Not where we ended up, not where we started out, but we ended up there. All right, she's gonna disappear, take the dog for a WALK, and I'm gonna fix the studio and turn it back into a bedroom, and so that I can have someplace to sleep tonight. All right, let's try the magic trick. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Magic. It does work. All right, so now I gotta, hold on a second. Now I gotta take all of this and turn it into basically 3 bags. Oodles of fun. And there you have it. Magic. All right, now I get to get the clothes. I gotta put all of that into there. Ready? Here we go. Wow, done. All right, now I gotta put the bathroom stuff together, and we are good to go. All that. This. Don't need any of that. Need that. And then basically put that in the bag, and we're good to go, kiddies. All right. Whew. Yeah, all that has to fit in there. Well, no, actually, it's going to fit in there. Piece of cake. Ready? Here we go. Wow. Piece o' cake. You got to love this stuff, really. All right. Just got a couple of more things. And then we're basically all done. Shoes, jacket, boxes that I absolutely have to take with me. And that lighting stuff and my laptop and that bag of stuff, and we're basically done at this point. Oh, good Lord. Howdy. It's been a long day. Basically all packed up, ready to go. Gotta load up the car and then get some shut-eye, and then be on my merry way to where am I going? Bangs, Texas, right? Go to Bangs to hook up with Larry. But before that happens, gotta answer a couple of questions. Like, what the am I still doing in El Paso, and why was I in El Paso to begin with? Well, long story short, I came here about a year ago at Leah's invitation to come and teach a couple of weekend classes, and ended up staying for an entire year. Basically, what ended up happening was the pandemic hit, and I couldn't go anywhere, and I just kept staying here over and over and over again, and well, one thing led to another, and I'm still here. About 6, maybe 8 weeks ago, Leah's father passed. This was his house, and since she doesn't need to be here anymore, she wants to move closer to her grandkids, so that meant she was going to sell the house, and that meant I needed to leave. So that started the ball rolling to buying a van and then living in that van, or going to build it out and then living in the van, and going to Bangs, hooking up with Larry, and then going to Missouri, and then building out the band in Missouri because the band is still in Missouri, and I'm not, but I will be shortly in about 3 days. All right, so that's basically how I got to El Paso. So what am I still doing here? During that time while I was here in El Paso, well, basically what I did was I taught tango online because, well, you can't teach tango in person because of the pandemic. So I moved my classes online. They were already online to begin with, but doing live stream classes. And that one thing led to another where I ended up shooting about 40, maybe 50 hours of new video plus the live streams. That was another 22 hours of live stream video that was all put up online for basically for nothing. I wanted to go back and reshoot a whole bunch of stuff that I thought needed to get reshot. So I ended up shooting more video, and that culminated in 4, maybe 5 different projects. And so all of that video will get pushed up onto YouTube, onto my Tango Topics channel, which you can see here or down in the link below, or in the description below. And basically that's what I'm still doing here in El Paso. I'm infinitely grateful to Ms. Leah to having me here because it's made things infinitely easier. But you know, it's time to go, not because I just don't have a place to live, but I need to do something else with my life, and it's not tango anymore. That said, that's pretty much it. So now I gotta pack up the car. We're packing. Time to pack it up, baby. Get everything together and head out. Miss Leah is ready. All right, gotta get some food. Not for the trip. Well, actually for the trip. There's Ms. Leah.
Oh, I could have said hi.
She could have. All right, let me get this. And then we should be Geo to go. Ah, there he is. I will miss him. She can't go anywhere. I have the keys. Hello, Mr. Dog. Nope, 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 nope. I know you want to say goodbye to Miss Leah. Goodbye, Mr. Dog. Goodbye. I'm gonna miss you. All right, back in your cage. Gotta go. Ready to go. Say goodbye to my home for like the last year. It's been fab, kitties. RTG, baby.
Let's go.